Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can record meeting on a Zoom meeting for Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Zoom meeting application on my Android mobile phone and I'm going to create new meeting. I'm just going to click on start a meeting. Then I'm going to show you how we can record this meeting on our Android mobile phone. Wait guys, it's still connecting. Okay, and now the meeting has been created. And if you want to record this meeting, you can use screen recorder feature on your Android mobile phone. You can go to your quick setting panel on your Android mobile phone. Then you have to find the screen recorder. Okay, if you want to start the recorder, you can click on screen recorder and the recording process will be started. I'm just going to select media and click on start recording. Okay, and now the recording has been started, guys. But if you don't have this feature on your Android mobile phone, I recommend you to go to the Play Store and then download the screen recorder app. But you have to make sure first, guys, whether you have the screen recorder feature or not. If the screen recorder hasn't appeared on your quick setting panel, you can check it on your setting. And if you don't have this feature, you can just immediately go to your Play Store and then you can download the screen recorder app. Wait, I'm just going to end the meeting, guys. Okay, you can go to your Play Store and then search for the screen recorder apps. I recommend you to download X Recorder. This one, guys. As you can see, I have installed this application on my mobile phone. And now I'm using the X Recorder to record my screen. After you have installed this application, you can just open it and you will be able to use it to record the Zoom meeting. Okay, the process is really simple. You just need to open up the application and you will be able to use this application to record your Zoom meeting. Open up your Zoom meeting application on your Android mobile phone. Then you can start the recording with the X Recorder app. Okay guys, and that's all the way to record meeting on a Zoom meeting application for Android mobile phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video, guys.